Okay, so wait, hold on. Let me just quickly do some things. Hello, welcome to the stream. This is Lucid Trading. Today we're gonna be doing a live stream for the Power Hour. I just did my Tesla analysis. I did all the analyses before this live stream. That's why I'm a little bit late. But welcome to the live stream. If you're here, welcome. I'm gonna have to send a link to the people. Can I send it through Discord? That would be nice. I'll just send the link. Live right now. Oh, hold on. Okay, so see if there's anyone here at all. There's nobody in the chat. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this chart right here. I'm going to just look at the S&P 500, right? SPX, here we go. Let's look at the short-term 5 minutes chart. Super exciting. Man. Hey, Dewey Tran, what's up, man? What's up? How you doing, man? I still got COVID. I still feel like I got a cold. I still feel that pressure on my chest. But in general, I feel a little bit better, I guess. Just a little bit better. Don't have a fever anymore, so that's very nice. But how are you doing, man? How are you guys doing? Are you doing fine? Watching your premiering video at the same time. Yeah, that's right. All the videos that I just uploaded are premiering right now. So make sure you check them out. The Tesla video is going to be really good, especially. The NIO video is going to come later today. I'm going to have to do a consultation in about 2 hours. So I might upload the NIO video maybe in an hour. And then, yeah, it's going to be very interesting. Thank you for the compliments. See how many people are watching right now. Make sure people are getting to the stream. 5 people watching. Great, that's fantastic. All right. So we currently see that the S&P is reacting to the election. It is very interesting, actually. We're moving sideways. This was pretty predictable. I think they're pricing in the downwards movement. So. But yeah, it's looking like we're gonna go bullish very soon, guys. It's kind of funny. Everybody's saying, "Yo, we're gonna go down before the elections. The elections are gonna be super bad." Would be very funny to see it actually be very positive. But yeah, we do see the 5 minutes is currently looking. I think we will have to look at the longer term chart. Let me just grab the chat. The stock market makes you sick. It is supposed to make you sick, but because it's designed against you. That's how the stock market is. So you need to have a inverse mindset. All right, so we're looking at the 30-minute chart of the S&P 500, right? We got the high at 3,551. And we got where we are right now, 3,458. We're significantly lower than we were previously, and it looks like we have a little bearish channel. You can see it right there, just like that. I think that looks pretty obvious, and we're having lows like this, pretty much. Now, will it move up now? If it moves up now, that would be significant, because that would basically mean, because we rejected that level, we can see it very closely. We pretty much just rejected this level completely, and it looks like we're about to break through. If we break through, that would be incredibly bullish, because that would put us in a very it would just put us in a different positions than where we were before. And what is really interesting is that if you look at the MACD right now, like if you look at this MACD, we could go up like way more, Look at that, significantly more. So that could very well happen in the future. Obviously, there might also be a brief correction because we're still like, finishing this bullish pattern off. But yeah, if we break through, that would be amazing. That would just would be a continuation of this rally. We would see another parabolic rally to the upside. This would pretty much happen if Trump would win, I would imagine. Let's see. Oh wait, this was the all-time high. That actually changes things up a little bit. That's actually incredible that we actually reached 3,550. That's we're making lower highs, man. That's a bit unfortunate. Let me check the chat right now. Can you look at Nokia stock? What do you think of LCA stock? I could take a little look at Nokia stock and possibly LCA stock, but I just want to first look at one thing. 4 hours for the S&P. Still a lot of movement to the upside. Check. Yeah, we're pretty much in for a bounce. We're in for a rally for the S&P. Yeah, boy. We've been waiting for that. We've been waiting for a rally. Come on, give us a rally. All right, so I'll go to Nokia. So many people have been asking, like, can you do Nokia? Come on, Nokia. There we go. Okay, so Nokia. Here we go. It's looking like we're having a bounce until earnings. It's very obvious, actually. It's like, look at that for earnings. Well, it's all like this is gonna be very iffy. I would say we're gonna sell off based off the daily. Like we're pretty much just gonna go up. We could possibly reach in a very bullish case, we could reach is that 3.9 or 3,900? I think it's 3.9. I think 3.9 to about around the 4 could be reached. There was a gap there, so we could do that again. Yeah, if that is reached, however, I think we will see a sell-off, depending on the results, because we would be in overbought territory in the daily, and we would also be pretty much at the top of the MACD line. You can see that we usually top around there, so we would top and then we would come back down, most probably, right? See if chat. Oh, hold on, this is not proper. Ah. I'm so incredibly amazing. Okay. Can you look at AMD stock as well? Yes, Cindy, I can do that for you. Just give me one moment. I'm just going to check if everything is going right with the premiere of the other videos. Just going to have to quickly look at that while I think Nokia is going to pump until earnings, and it's going to sell off on earnings unless the earnings are really good. But yeah, near term, let's look at the 4 hours. Is Tesla already premiering? Let me check it out. All right, so there's going to be a huge premiere for Tesla stock. Make sure you check it out. You can go to my channel, and in the most recent video, you can see that Tesla stock is about to premiere. You don't have to be in this live stream for the premiere, but it would be nice if you could do the premiere together with the live stream. This is my second live stream ever, so please don't mind the horrible quality. I'm going to be buying a microphone, and actually, I'm going to be buying a microphone, a new mouse, probably a camera, a good camera, and maybe even a laptop, because you guys have been supporting me on Patreon, and thanks to that, I can now get better equipment and fix this, because I have a broken keyboard, a broken laptop, a broken mouse. It's everything is not that good right now, and I could also get software for editing and it's going to be great. The future is looking great for the YouTube channel. You guys are going to be enjoying that super much. Let's check the chat. Can you look at the AMD stocks? Okay. Apple analysis. I already did that one. I did them with Apple, with Palantir, with Amazon. You can check it out. 3 stocks in one, because I didn't have much time because I was going to do the live stream. We're going to check AMD briefly because I actually, hold on, I picked the wrong one. Did I not pick the wrong one? No, I didn't. Okay, so we said that AMD would be going up on my recent video, and look at that. We're actually going up. Surprise, surprise. We said that we would go to 81.5, and it's actually happening. Surprise Pikachu face. Look at that. So damn, dude. That's like we're predicting this like mad. I said we were. We should be going bullish, and then we'll see a brief correction. I think the correction is coming very soon. You see that whenever we go to this RSI, we see corrections. So there's going to be a brief correction that will take us back to the 80s, not the year 80s, but like the price, obviously. So yeah, we see a brief correction, and we'll go back up. I think definitely we'll be rallying up to earnings, especially because Intel got clapped. I'm so sorry if you're holding Intel stock right now, because Intel just recently, they got destroyed. Let's look at Intel. AMD is bullish, you should be fine. Buying opportunity has gone by a little bit. You could buy a little bit right now, but... So, let's go to... What happened? Wait, what? Oh, this is not Intel, is it? Wait, Intel Corp. Yes, we want to see that red line. Yes. Look at that. Oof. Oof. Oh, boys. Oh, girls. This is not good. Intel is, however, I would say Intel is a great buy. If you can hop onto this train, guys. I'm not saying Intel's going to be the next big thing. They're already the big thing. They're the IBM of processor chips. I would get myself some Intel. Honestly, they got some good dividends. AMD is super high right now. However, I mean, AMD is going to keep on growing, but look where we were. We were at 66. I think I'm going to buy one. I'm going to buy a little bit right now, actually. I'm going to buy a little bit right now. So, hold on. I need to do something. I need to check the chat. What is happening here? We need an Apple analysis. Is everybody gone? What is happening? Do I have no internets? 14 people watching. Why is nobody seeing anything? Come on, guys. So, I want to look at something. I want to quickly copy this so that you guys can do some stuff that would be great. We're going to get a little description. There we go. So yeah, there are a couple links in the description. It's going to be very important because if you want to join the Discord, you can do it in the description. There's a link for the Discord. Discord is like packed, like absolutely packed right now. Look at that. What is this? This is literally, everybody keeps on saying this, but thank you, I guess. This Discord is like packed. We have 100 people now. We started off at 0 2 weeks ago. Now we got 100, so feel free to join. It's free. I'm not going to let you pay for this or anything like that. However, there is a Patreon channel if you want to join the Patreon, which is also in the description. If you join the Patreon, you get many, many benefits like early access, like consultations, like early posts, updates, buying opportunities, buy signals, sell signals, etc. Just everything. So I just want to point that out, right? And I also got a Twitter link there if you want to follow me on Twitter. I'll be tweeting like Elon Musk. So, which stocks do you guys want me to review? I heard Apple, but I already did that on my channel, so don't necessarily want to do that again. What do you think about Snap? Would you buy Nokia? Ooh, would I buy Nokia? I have seen their stuff, guys. I've seen their phones, and it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. They're making a comeback. They're making a huge comeback, actually. And I applaud Nokia for that. But I think most of it it's like, let me check the one day, if I'm right about this. When was it? Yeah, I would buy some Nokia. Yeah, actually, I would buy some Nokia. Not a lot, though. I would buy a small amount of shares. Yeah, Nokia's looking like a buy. Because I've seen their phones. They're doing pretty good. They're really trying to do a push forward. My friends have Nokia phones instead of iPhones, Samsungs. So not only based off that, obviously, but they have been coming back strong, and I think they could be heading, if this is even the right ticker, I think it is Nokia Corporation, right? electronic technology. Yeah, there was this deal with NASA or something, putting stuff on Mars or on the moon. I don't remember. Somebody was commenting that in the videos. Would you buy Nokia? Yeah, I would buy a little bit. Yeah, Nokia is looking fine. Although short term, it's gonna probably go up and then crash. That's how it looks like to me. So yeah. See how many people are watching right now. Briefly, got to get a 17 people. Guys, welcome to the stream. I am Lucid Trading. I do technical and fundamental analysis for stocks and the stock market. I also want to be obviously expanding that to finance, to just many more things like investing long term. I'll be making more videos about that in the coming future. But right now, we're focusing on making videos on technical analysis that you guys love and that you guys want to watch every single day for the rest of your life. All right, so I need some stock requests. Snap, how about very good food? Let me check. Let me check. Whoa, guys, Tesla live stream is popping. Live stream, the premiere is popping. Check it out. It's huge. You should really check it out. Neck is like hurting me. So I've been like uploading videos non-stop since like 4 hours ago. So give me a break. What do you think of Snap? Well, let's look at Snap. I think they went up like what 20-30% or something like that. Like 50%. I don't know. Whoa, that is huge. What the hell? What is this? Guys, this is a bubble. This is gonna come back down. This is definitely gonna come back down. Like in the daily, it's looking like a bubble. In the daily, let's look at the weekly. Weekly, it's looking like a bubble. Like it's about to just crash. I think I might just short this one. Like Snap is like it's obviously doing good, but to me, this is just a bit sketchy. This like huge euphoria. Near term, it's still looking pretty sketch because it's like overbought right now. It was overbought right there as well. It could go down from here and pretty much make more moves to the upside. We could see another move to the upside like that, hit the support level, then bust again, and this could happen for quite some time, especially if the markets are going to be bullish the coming weeks. Yeah, but Snap was really waiting for this because Snap, they've been pretty much still. They've not been doing any much for like such a long time. So it wasn't a super big surprise. I wouldn't buy Snap at this point. I would buy it at the dips. If it comes down, I would buy it at the dips, bit by bit, not all in. I wouldn't go all in on Snap right now. This was an all in moment. But right now, you don't want to go all in. That was a moment to buy some more. That was a moment to buy some more, possibly here. But I wouldn't buy more right now. We'll just see if we can come back down to the neutral level, which would look like that, probably something like that. Let's see what people are saying. Will Zoomer ever reach? Yeah, Zoom is probably going to reach 600. It's probably going to reach 1,000. Like it's just popping, you know. Zoom is just the thing. It's like everybody's buying Zoom. Every baby boomer is buying Zoom right now. 45 minutes, same thing. 4 hours. 4 hours is looking so bad. It's looking so bad. We're about to crash. Like honestly, we're about to come back huge. Like that, just like that. Honestly, and then just probably go up. Yeah, I really don't like the fact that it's so overbought. I think it's just way overhyped. Like it crushed earnings, okay, but you just literally went up like almost 100%. Which I mean, what is their growth prospect in the future? Are they going to keep on growing if the pandemic goes away? I don't think so. Like everybody is. Would you buy Tesla right now? Fun fact: I actually bought Tesla today at 408. I bought big, like really big, like $2,000 worth of shares, and at 4010 I bought like 1,000 worth of shares. It's just gonna go up, guys. Like honestly, like long term, it's definitely going up. Short term, yeah, it's gonna go up, possibly. I mean, unless the markets crash. Or like there's like another headline like, oh, Elon Musk just got COVID and he's dying. Yeah, that would be a bad thing. Then we would go back to the 300s. But I'm gonna be honest with you. I have a feeling that if Elon Musk would go away from Tesla, that he could be replaced by Drew. I've been seeing a lot more of Drew, like the guy that is actually behind Elon, like doing all the work when Elon is gone at Tesla, going to SpaceX. I think Drew is more capable than Elon when it comes to like Tesla because Drew is there all the time and Elon is there half of the time. So I'm just saying, I'm not an Elon Musk hater. I just do believe that Elon Musk is just dividing his time, and like Drew is there all the time. So Drew could possibly be the CEO if Elon Musk would retire or like if he would become sick or anything like that. So I wouldn't be too worried about Elon Musk suddenly becoming sick. I think Drew is even like more technical than Elon Musk. Just putting it out there. Elon Musk is more of a business magnet. Like obviously he's really good at engineering, but it's not his own job. Elon Musk has a variety of things that he's good at. That's what makes him so special. That's why he can be doing the Boring Company, OpenAI, Neuralink, SpaceX, everything. Okay, Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. Everybody wants to see Zoom. Oh, wait. I'm holding my neck. I'm holding my head because my neck is hurting. Okay, what's happening here? Going sideways. Let's move it a little bit, shall we? No, I'm kidding. We're probably gonna go sideways a little bit, yeah. Well, we get a little green candle. We got a little green candle there. So we should be going up. Should be going up, guys. Should be going up. Zoom dropped from 580 to 500. Please give us a quick analysis. Yeah. Well, that was about to happen because we were in the overbought zone. I think I didn't do the analysis because I was not analyzing this stock back then. But if I would have seen this, I would have been like, guys, you should just drop this stock off. It's about to blow through the trend line. Very bad. I actually even said this. Like if you go to my Zoom playlist, one of the first videos, I think I remember this. Yeah. I said we would go down approximately 10 to 20%. So I even predicted this. So if you would have listened to me, you could have avoided this. I said, hey guys, we're overbought. Looks like we're going to go down. It's not looking good. The MACD is too high. We've seen this one before. We've seen it right there. And nobody listened and everybody lost all their money. So let's just check the 1 hour. 1 hour is looking pretty oversold. We're about to go up. Yeah, it's looking bullish. I think this is bullish. We're gonna go back to the trend line. Yeah, so if we move the trend line a little bit, it's looking like yeah, we're right at the trend line actually. So we should be bouncing to the upside from here. How long do you think till NIO hits 30? It could be either next week. Like NIO pops like huge in every 2 or 3 weeks at this point. Could be next week. But it could be next week, honestly. Lucky Pigeon, what are your thoughts of ARK Invest ETF? Is now a good chance to buy? Well, yes, if you dollar cost average, any time would be the good time, right? It's just about dollar cost averaging. Yeah, so the answer to your question, if you dollar cost average, you could buy right now, just a tiny bit, ARK Invest. I think it's with double K, right? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I would put I would put some of my resources into this. 98 came back down from 100. But you got to take a look at the longer term, right? Look at that. Holy moly. ARK is like crushing it. This was like, wow. They're beating the Nasdaq. They're beating the S&P 500. They're beating everything. That's amazing. What should I do? Well, the RSI is low, so this would be a buying opportunity right there. I would buy a little bit. Like if I had $100 and I would want to buy ARK, I would put like 10 or 20, something like that, and see where it goes. If it keeps going up, I would not put that much in. Probably another dollar or two. If it goes down significantly, I would put in another $10 and then another $10. So just dollar cost average. Yo, hi, Julia. How many shares do you have in NEO? I actually have none now. I literally just sold them. Thoughts on the elections and its potential effect on the stock market? Well, what the elections do is basically they instigate fear, and I always go with the principle: when people are fearful, you should be greedy. And I see a lot of people freaking out about the election, and I think Goldman Sachs, they had recently like said, yo guys, we're gonna go to 3,600 by the end of the year, and I think they're right. I think they could be right. I think they're not trying to scam us, and they're actually right, and they want to get clients to put their money in Goldman Sachs. Um, yeah, so possibly we could be going way higher than here. Let me check something. Checking my stonks. Checking Tesla right now. Tesla video popping, guys. Oh, Tesla video really popping right now. Wait, what did Loki Pigeon say? What are his thoughts? Oh, ARK Invest. Yeah, ARK Invest is nice. I like the, what was her name? Kathy Woods. Kathy Wood. She is a very smart woman. See nothing but positive stuff about ARK recently. Well, that's the thing. If you see a lot of positive stuff about a stock or about a company, there is a bigger chance it's going to be dropping, usually. So you want to buy ARK when everybody is saying ARK is shite, ARK is not good. It's not good to be buying ARK. Then you want to buy if the fundamentals are actually good. You want to buy a stock that is being covered negatively, but the fundamentals are strong. That's when you buy a stock. And right now, Tesla is one of those. Tesla has great fundamentals, like in terms of like their growth. Like, oh my gosh, they're gonna take over the world. Like honestly. What if they suddenly decide, hey, we're gonna go create airplanes, and then because that's what they did. They started with cars, with no. They started with luxury vehicles. Let me just go to Tesla. They started with luxury vehicles, like expensive vehicles, right? After that, they were like, you know what? Let's just make a sedan, right? Let's make a expensive sedan. Then after that, they were like, okay, we could also make a bigger vehicle. And then they're like, okay, we're gonna put superchargers everywhere. And they're like, okay, let's make mega packs. Oh, let's do autonomous stuff. You know, let's make cars drive and people pay for it. And then on top of that, they're like, okay, maybe we could sell batteries. And so they're growing so rapidly, and they're like a virus. They're like COVID. They're spreading everywhere, but in a good and positive way. And it's spreading very fast. Tesla is going bigger and bigger by the day. Every day I see more cars for example, in the Netherlands. And I think they're doing very great. They're going to expand even more. They got Tesla Insurance now. They're building up their energy, their solar. They got solar now. The Boring Company could potentially be Tesla's. You know, Elon Musk is like CEO of SpaceX and many more things. So it's like branched out so widespread. How many people are watching right now? I'm wondering. 27 people. Hey guys, welcome to the stream. My name is Lucid Trading, and we're looking at stonks. So if you have any stock requests, drop it down below. We will cover any stock requests that you guys want me to analyze. Buy Tesla now. I already bought Tesla. I bought Tesla at the dip. I'm going to just brag about this the whole day. I bought Tesla right there. Did you buy Tesla right there? No, I'm joking. You can still buy Tesla right here. It's not a problem. In fact, I would even consider buying it right there at the 420-ish, 423. What do you think of Helion? Cindy says. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, my neck is killing me, guys. You don't know what I've gone through today. I think I've uploaded 20 videos or something like that. Cindy. I even typed Cindy. Look how crazy I am. I'm crazy in love with Cindy. I think it's Helion Holding. Is it Helion Holdings? Let me just check. I think it's Helion Holdings, right? Helion Holdings. Is this it, guys? Can you confirm? Is this Helion? Am I looking at it right? I bought it at 409, but my average cost is still 435. That's fine. Tesla prediction by end of the year. Tesla prediction by the end of the year. Okay, I think Helion is oversold. If this is Helion, it's oversold in comparison to where it was. I think this could easily go huge. If the fundamentals are sound and there's just negative coverage, then Helion is a buy. But the fundamentals have to check out. I don't know if this is Helion, though. Let me just... Yeah, okay, so it is Helion. Is your COVID gone? No, it's not gone. I'm actually right now feeling my fever coming up a little bit. How come you sold your NIO? Do you expect a small... Well, the reason I sold NIO is because I saw a bigger opportunity in Tesla when it dropped to 408. And NIO is just going sideways right now. It's possibly going to break through, but I think Tesla's also going to break through. And I would rather have Tesla than NIO. Because NIO recently went up huge. Tesla didn't. Tesla went up huge like a year ago or something, like eight months ago. So we're fine. Tesla's stabilizing. NIO is not. NIO is volatile. How comes? Yeah. So I want to do the Tesla prediction by the end of the year. I want to. Speaking about Tesla, let me just check the video. Oh my god, guys, the Tesla video is like skyrocketing, like the stock that will skyrocket as well. So let me just check this out. Tesla Inc. We were going to 417. Brief correction. That's fine. What stock app lets you buy after hours besides Webull? If you're from Europe, you can buy. You can get Trading 212. The link is actually in the description. It's a European stock app. It's wonderful, and you'll get a free stock up to $100 if you sign up. So definitely check it out if you're European. You can trade in the after hours. Like you can trade CFDs. I'm using CFDs. So I want to look at this 2019 Q3 to Q4. We were rallying, obviously. I want to look at 2018. See if we can see similar patterns. It's tripping a little bit, guys. It's my laptop doing crazy things. So Q3 to Q4, we went down for Tesla. I think this is not likely for us because I think we had I think something happened in 2018. Was it with did he smoke weed or something like that? There was some really bad stuff happening. I remember that quick. Like there was a lot of bad news, bad coverage, etc. that came, and then we crashed and we did this movement. And I think they were also burning money, so that's also a signal that it's bad. So they had a bad quarter in Q4. Or was this Q3? If this is Q3, Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart. Sorry, guys. Wrong side of the chart. Well, what is everyone saying? Many comments. Yeah, trading 2 and 2 only lets you trade after hours with CFDs. So we saw a rally from Q3 2018 to Q4. Same thing that happened in, what was it, 2019. We saw that in the middle of the quarter, we had a crash, and at the end we had a crash similar to what we see now. See, this movement is so similar to what we have. It's crazy. So we see that we went down, and then we had a rally. This is also the reason why I say we're probably going to rally. Historically speaking, we rally from Q3 to Q4. You can see this. If this could load, I think it's not going to load, is it? Yeah, I'm going to have to go to the daily or 4 hours. Okay. Is everybody still here? Who do you think will win elections? 80% chance for Trump to win. Historically speaking, a sitting president gets reelected 80% of the time. Hey, left a comment on your last video. Check it out whenever you get a chance. Paycheck investing. Sure, man. Fit for Johnson. Everything I look at is hitting to trend line on the daily chart today. DraftKings, Tatusha, Apple, Tesla, etc. LCA has no news on it right now. It's bottoming out soon. Get it now before the news? I don't know. I don't know what LCA is. So I cannot really give you a good analysis. Wow, guys, the Tesla video is really it's skyrocketing, man. Unlike the stock right now. So check it out. Okay, back to business. Q3. I want to go back to Q3 17. We saw that. Yeah, we went up, guys. We went up. So for 2017, we rallied from Q3 to Q4. 2018, we rallied from Q3 to Q4. 2019, we rallied from Q3 Q4. And on top of that, we got a record quarter. Next quarter is going to be a record quarter. Next quarter, we're probably going to go into the S&P 500. There's a chance we will. Full self-driving is almost complete. Berlin, Shanghai, almost complete. There's one negative blip, and that's the 30,000 cars that are getting recalled from China. Can you make a video in the future about using margin on Robinhood and everything about it, please? Yeah. Well, it just comes down to this. Are you an insider? If so, and you know information that other people don't, and you want to just break the law, then use margin and go all in. If you're not an insider, I wouldn't use margin too often. I would just stay away from that. Honestly, unless you're a professional trader, I would stay away from margin. Although I gotta admit, I use it from time to time. Just a little bit though, not that much. Only for my contracts, my CFDs. Oh, guys, make sure you join the Discord. Link is in the description. If you want to support me, guys, you can become a member, or you can send me super chats on YouTube during the live stream. You can also take a look at the Patreon. Link is in the description. You get many benefits for being a follower on Patreon. You can donate anything you want, and that money would be used productively, probably to new equipment. Whew. Gotta catch some breath, you know. My lungs are still recovering. So from the COVID. Recalls happen all the time. Yeah, but 30,000 cars is a lot for Tesla. It's a lot of cars. How many people are watching right now? I'm wondering, because it's quite... Oh my gosh! 35 viewers! Hey guys, welcome to the channel. You probably already know me. I'm Gara from Lucid Trading. Right now we're just doing a little live stream looking at power hour, see what's happening. Tesla is currently going to 417 point... We're going to 418. But yeah, somebody said that we should be doing a little thingy, a little thingy. What was it? He said, predict the future. You're the genie. Predict the future. All right, I'll predict the future. Sure, why not? Possibly go back there. Hit that. Go down a little bit. Something like that. And then and I think something like this would happen, possibly. That's my opinion. That's just what I do impulsively. I haven't looked at anything at all. Just looked at the chart a little bit, and it's like the MACD. Yeah, okay, it's likely going to go up now. Then we go correct, and then we go up, and then we correct. It's going to be sideways movement, like we saw. We saw this similar pattern in 2017, and I can show you right now. I think we'll reach 527 ish, 540, and we might be pushing. There might be this blip to the upside, huge blip to 600, and then we would come back rapidly, just like we went up and we went down right there. What price do you think Tesla will be if Trump wins, such Biden wins? I think if Biden wins, Tesla will go up. I think if Trump wins, Tesla will go up, so it should be fine. Hey, college student here, trying to learn what you have to say. Well, dollar cost averaging, look that up. What about Workhorse, lol? Oh, my back. Should I buy fractional shares in Tesla? Yeah, you can buy a little bit. Why not? If you do dollar cost averaging. Hold on, guys. I need to check something. Hold on, boys and girls. Today I bought 500 shares of Tesla, funny at 412. That's fantastic. Good job, Kevin. Recommend Tesla calls. I don't really like calls because you got an expiration date, but I think Tesla's going to be bullish, so maybe. I'm seeing Tesla going like that, honestly. Something like that. In a bearish scenario, I don't really have a bearish scenario. I think the lows are going to be higher than the highs. Like we're getting higher lows, right? So I think if this is a low, then the next low would be right there, and maybe we'll get a neutral low, like we did right there. But yeah, this is probably going to be and the historical patterns show that we go up midway to the quarter. We might even go to 600 a couple in December. For the there might be an S&P 500 rally, so, and then we would come down before earnings, like we did in this quarter, and like we did in many quarters in the previous years. So damn, 500. What the hell? Yeah, that's a lot. 500 shares. That's like, let me think. That's like 250,000. Yeah. Apple is garbage. Nah, Apple is not garbage. I'm telling you, Apple is looking for huge upside. I'm telling you, Apple is it's like bottoming out. It's so close to bottoming out. It's gonna shoot up on earnings like so bad. I'm telling you, it is not garbage. Okay, we got about 10 minutes left. Let's take a look at the US 500 / S&P 500. Let's see what's happening. Oh boy, it's rejecting the level, or is it going above it? Let me check the daily. We drew it on the daily. Shice. You see that? We drew this channel like literally minutes ago, and it's rejecting exactly at the level that we drew it at. That's very interesting, guys. Look at that, rejecting. Oof. We'll see what happens in the last 10 minutes. Everything garbage besides Tesla. What if it's the other way around? Oh boy. No kidding. Amazon breaking out. Is it? Is Amazon breaking out? I hold Amazon right now, so that would be nice. Will be very great. Very nice. Oh yes, you're right. Our prediction is coming to reality. We said it would go up, and it's going up. Look how perfect. This is just ridiculous. Am I a genie or something? Look how perfect it just went. I didn't edit anything. Like this just was my prediction. We would go to 3,200. Now we're probably going to see a little bit of a correction, and then we're going to go up. Like correct and then go up. Let's see what everyone is saying. Are there any other stocks out there that moves up and down like Tesla does? PayPal is a great buy. Is it? Is PayPal a great buy? There's a lot of fintech companies out there that are looking at PayPal's market share. They want to take some of that. Yeah, Google. I basically said, you could even look this up. I told everybody to buy Google, but nobody listened. Now it's up like massive. Alphabet. Alphas. Look at that. Look at this huge pump. I said to buy Google right around there. I remember that. I said to buy Google. Ooh, right around here. I said to buy Google. Right around there. You can check it. I've got a playlist. You can check it when I said you should buy Google. It went up pretty much 100 points, about 6-7%. Huge gains. I stopped doing videos on Google because nobody was watching them. So if nobody watches the videos, it doesn't make much sense, right? I'll be doing these analyses for myself. Is it good to buy Amazon now? Are you kidding? Yeah, it is good to buy Amazon right now. It's not a strong buy as like just a couple minutes ago, but what about Netflix? Netflix is a buy. It's a good buy. Partner with crypto. Google was beautiful. Took 8K profit. Nice. Yeah, Google is about to become a little bit ahead of itself, I believe, if we're looking at it right. Okay, Google is so amazing. Like right now, YouTube is owned by Google, so you're watching it on a Google service. Google Search is owned by Google. Your phone, if you got an Android, owned by Google. Google owns us, okay? So I would invest in Google. Anything interesting? What state or country are you in currently? I live in the Netherlands. It's a little country, one of the wealthiest country in the whole of Europe. You know, I guess Switzerland and some other countries like Luxembourg are a little bit richer, but oh guys, my neck. Oh, this is not okay. That's just any stock suggestions, guys. Is Apple a good buy? Yeah, Apple's a good buy. Anything below $115 would be a good buy. I would buy. Actually, I bought. So I bought at 114.8 ish. So, but yeah, guys, I just want to repeat it one more time. If you guys want to support me in any kind of way, Patreon is the way. You also get many benefits like early access, consultations, posts, buy signals, sell signals, personal posts, updates about the stock market earlier than anyone would get them. My analyses, you will get them earlier. And obviously, did I even say the early access? That's pretty nice. And yeah, that's just you'll probably be able to get me to and analyze a stock as fan request as well. So check out the Patreon. The link is in the description. And if you're not part of the Discord yet, make sure you join the Discord. It is awesome. We have got about 100 people in here, and you can be part of this amazing Discord, and we will talk about everything together. So, give a quick analysis on Fiverr. Tesla at 419 now. Surprised Pikachu reaction. 420. Oh, are you kidding? Let me check Tesla. I'm holding Tesla. I'm holding some. I bought at 408. Fantastic. You see that? You see that? Prediction. Bam. That's how we do. That's how we do, guys. It's probably going to stick around 420. The reason it's going above 420 is because I checked this last video, but there are millions of contracts right now at 420 for puts. I don't know much about contracts and options, but I know that these options will expire worthless if Tesla goes above 420, and there are 450 calls that would expire today, and they got canceled out massively as well. Look at this move to the downside. So both sides are being so-called, yeah, they're getting handed over. I just want to use proper language. So we're probably going to go sideways around this level, which is pretty predictable. I mean, honestly. Let's see how much I'm up, actually. Very curious. Oh, that's nice. Great. Yeah. Join the Discord, guys. AMD, Disney, and Microsoft. I already did AMD. I already did Tesla, Disney. I didn't do Microsoft. I didn't do. Could you pull up some analysis for Fiverr International? Amazon. He said yes. I can tell you all about options. The reason it's going up is because you drew that line going up, making. The reason it's going up is because of that line. It's like a magnet for the stock price. You know, it's like I am the stock genie. Should change the whole channel name to Stock Genie. Like there's a channel, I think it was Stock Guru. So I don't know. I like the guy, you know, but it's such a weird name. Stock Guru. How many shares of Tesla do you have? How is your health? Pretty terrible. About to recover. I got like, I think it was like 10,000, something like that. I don't check it all the time. I got like different accounts and different, like, I got Trading 212. I got a Dutch one. It's called Bucks. But I got a lot of Tesla shares. I can tell you that. DHPC. DHPC. I think I can't find it. Diamond Holdings, I think. Yeah, there we go. DPHC. DPHC. They're oversold. They're okay. I get that. They're oversold. Probably gonna come back down and come back up. At least, yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen. It's gonna come back up. Yeah, it's gonna come back up, pretty much. I don't know how much, but it could possibly get back to the 21 very soon, like that. Like we saw this go back like that. Alright, so what's the next song? Fiverr. Alright, Fiverr, come on, let's go, Fiverr. But first I want to check how many people are watching. If it's like a significant amount of people. It's like 36 people, 44 people! Whoa, 43 people. Hey guys, just gonna briefly introduce myself. My name is Gara, Lucid Trading. All I do is like analyze and like, you know, I do fundamentals for stocks so you guys can get a better guidance of where things are heading and whether they're going up or down. I'm trying to cover them as best as I can. Obviously, I'm not a genie. I don't predict it exactly. I try to give you guidance. So don't hate me if I'm ever wrong. I will be wrong many times, but just less wrong than most people. So yeah, because I've been pretty profitable as of late on both sides, on the short and the bull side, the long side. So let's Fiverr, yeah, Fiverr. All right, you'll get your Fiverr. In Dutch, Fiverr is a disease. Actually, it's actually true. Yeah, it's looking like we're bottoming, guys. Ooh, that's sweet. Sweet baby Jesus. Looking like that. That's pretty nice. Pretty neat. On a 1 hour. MACD about to move. Something like that. Fiverr is looking like a good buy. It's down 20 to 30%. Oh, my chest is hurting, guys. Oh gosh. This sucks so much. $420.69 close. No way. No way. No way. Fiverr is a good buy. No freaking way. No, it's not closing at 420. I want to look at Tesla, guys, for the last look at those candles. That's some nice rally. Good rally. I guess we're right this time. I'm expecting it to move upwards from Monday till Friday because there's still lots of room left to be going up. I'm telling you, there's still lots of room. This could be another 20 points to the upside, possibly, maybe more. Whew. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to go to the chat. 10,000 shares. No, not 10,000 shares. $10,000. What about Neo? Neo is going sideways. We should do live more often. I'm going to do live more often. Don't worry. Stop drawing a line down. Lol. This is looking very positive. So, I think the stock market just closed. Tesla at 420.49. Great. We're up from the bottom. This could be the bottom. We're probably going to go up like that to the moon. Yeah, guys. Let me see how many people are watching right now. 36 people. Guys, I was planning to only like live stream like an hour worth of content. So if anyone has like any stock requests, I'll quickly do that, and then I'll just call it a night in terms of like streaming, because I got a consultation coming up. I hate the weekend now. I don't know why stocks aren't 24/7, because else everyone would go crazy. No stock requests? Nothing? Alright guys, let me check how many people are watching. I think lots of people left because of the stock market just closing, I believe. Oh, Nanox. Nanox and Jets. Visa, Workhorse. I saw Visa like, Workhorse like a lot. Workhorse. Oh boy. That could happen. We could go bearish. Oh, we were bottoming. Okay. Bottoming on the daily, negative on the near term. Yeah, looks like Workhorse is a buy right now. We're gonna pop a little bit before earnings. I'll probably get out at like 23 points. Yeah, 23 would be like nice. 22 to 23 would be a good exiting point. Like 10%. If you want to take a riskier bet, you could go out at 31, but who knows, you know? Although we did see a huge rally after this bearishness. So we could see a huge rally again. Patterns usually do repeat. So I would hold Workhorse and I wouldn't sell it. I would buy a little bit right now. Amazon already did Amazon. Helion, I did Helion. Microsoft. Macro hard. Microsoft is about to go bearish. Ooh, that's interesting. Interesting. Okay, so okay, we might go up for earnings like that and then come back down. Yeah, we could keep going up, go in the overbought direction and go down. I don't know, before or after earnings. Could be before earnings, like that. Nah, it's probably going to be after earnings. probably going to be like that and then go sideways, and after earnings we go down. Unless earnings are really good. Because, I don't know. Haven't checked that. Apple down to... Whoa. How many people are watching right now? Oh, I don't know what's happening with the live stream. 34? 35, okay. Right, so let's check which stocks we want to do. I think Snapchat is going to correct and then possibly go up again. I think they're going to correct, maybe go up a little bit and then go sideways for a really long time. I think we will have a huge run-up before the election for Tesla. And also probably after the election, or maybe a little bit of a correction phase after the election, but for sure, we're going to see some kind of run-up. Alright guys, 4 more minutes and then I'll be gone. So Facebook, I think Intel is a decent buy due to the correction. Facebook going, where's earnings? Did they have earnings? Oh, it's about to come up. Dude, Facebook just went up 2.4%. Yeah, definitely some bullish momentum. We could see it go higher from here. Just a little bit higher. Yeah, we're probably gonna go, we're gonna open green possibly for Facebook Monday and then probably Tuesday as well. Earnings is on the 29th. I think a day or two before earnings we're gonna go either down a little bit or sideways. Until then we're gonna be pumping. And this is also an indication that tech stocks are gonna be going up before earnings, which is gonna be triggering a rally in the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq most probably. How about Pokemon cards? CSR, what's up with Neo? I'm gonna check Neo a little bit. Yeah, we've seen this before. We could pretty much go up like that and then break out. I think it's fine. I think we're fine. We're gonna bottom out soon and then go up. I'm not too worried. Okay, 2 more minutes, guys. I am bullish for Apple. Everything below 115 is a strong buy. Gonna wait for your questions. Oh, guys, we're almost at 3,000 subscribers. That's exciting. It's a milestone, definitely. Is that Louis Vuitton? Or... Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, that's could definitely bounce before earnings, like that, and then come back down after earnings. Getting a little tired over here, guys. Just 1 more minute. I'm gonna answer some questions. I have 325 calls 5 times. Pray for me. I'm praying for you. How do you feel in Palantir? Palantir is just a hold for the long-term stock. Hold it forever. Amazon is going up till earnings, probably. Alright guys, this was the live stream. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, tap that like button, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel for the next live stream, which is going to be coming up next week when there's going to be a earnings call for Amazon, for Apple, probably for AMD as well. I believe many stocks going to have that earnings call, and I'm going to be there. I hope you're going to be there. And oh my god, I'm lightheaded. Whew. Damn you, COVID. Check me out on Patreon. You get many benefits for being a subscriber on Patreon. Guys, I would really appreciate that if you could do that. And okay, so yeah, this was a live stream. Hit that Discord, guys. Discord is awesome. Super awesome. I'll be seeing you next time, guys.